این ویدیو برای کسایی که میخوان زبان انگلیسی یاد بگیرن ویدیو جالبی نیست، نگاه نکنن. چون ما قرار است درباره ellipse بخوانیم. Ellipse in English might have two types of meanings. First, when you use three dots at the end of argumentations, that is called ellipse. While another one, which we would like to study, is about English grammar and English writing and English structures. Ellipse means eliminating repeated parts. To elaborate it a little bit more, when you use coordinate conjunctions, not subordinate conjunctions. اگر coordinate conjunctions ها رو نمیفهمین ویدیوهای قبلی حتما نگاه کنید. Coordinate conjunctions like the word and, but, or. So do not use the repeated subject. For example, she wants to play football. And she is not necessary here. We'd better say she wants to play football and play tennis or plays tennis. Another one is about auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb can be like two forms. When you use auxiliary verbs with many verbs, like she can play, can dance, can sing. Eliminate can and use only one can for the all verbs. For example, she can play, sing, and dance. Not many times auxiliary verb. Another form is about when you use auxiliary verbs through the sentences, after auxiliary verbs try to eliminate the rest. I have gone to the United States of America, but she hasn't. Means that after hasn't, I have eliminated she has not gone to the United States of America. So that's going to be called ellipse in English sentences.